on, Peter. Lift. One.
Okay?
Whoa.
Come on,
How the hell you mow the lawn? I don't know.
Otherwise,
Does he
it's
mow the
floating up. And then why is it going down? Come on. You're going to know about it now. Why is that right? He says to me, is there anything there?
Well, the rod is killing each other, no?
Just keep going.
Okay, Peter, this is a fish, okay?
This is going to take
No, Peter, lift. Lift up.
Now,
They didn't see me shutting himself.
very high, eh? But we're going to walk slowly.
Yes.
It's going to take long.
There he is. Yeah, I'm going to put the corners and 12 for them.
It's hooked in the tummy.
You.
There's 2 more.
Two. You just keep them here in one motor, Arnold. You don't want to overrun it.
Oh, no.
Stop.
There you can see him. Hey. Pull him.
You take him to a place of restoration, then you see what you do shots.
Oh. Paul hooked inside.
That's why. Little shit. He's not hooked in the mouth.
Yeah.
That's why he gave you such a fight.
Yeah. We're pulling them side on.
Come on, come up and splash for me. Yes.
Nick, go down onto one motor.
I'm on one.
They sounded, eh?
Right, Josh.
Yeah.
I got him or not. Two.
Watching all the time, eh?
Commentary. Commentary.
What is this?
Eight. 10. Eighteen. 20. And these are good eaters, all yellowfin tuna. 22. 24. Where'd you get that one from? 24 and a bonito. The other bonito we used as live bait and the shark got. Yeah. Who caught that one? Oh, shit. Why did we catch that? They must have been in one of the mouths.
Yeah.
Hold him up. Mickey, make him look bigger.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's a Captain Fine rock cod. And that's a rock cod, Captain Fine. Weight about 5 kilos. And next to it is an Englishman, what they call Englishman or Stumpy. It's called Englishman because as it comes out the water, it turns shocking pink like an Englishman with a sunburn. Okay, carry on, Peter, put it inside. I'll show you there's a couple of other fish here, and as we take them, we'll take them out the different fish, okay? Must be inside the freezer. But I need to weigh it separately first. Okay, there's another Englishman there. Another Englishman. Those are all over kilos that are going to the lion's bin. This is a medium. That's a bream. Just hold the bream for them to see nicely. Those are bream. It's only bream. Okay, all excellent eating. Okay, a slinger in his left, in his right hand, or his left hand. Oops. Another bream and a rockcod. Put rockcod in a line bin.
What do you mean by line bin? You're not going to use it?
Over kg, but they're special fish. They're excellent eating. Those are 2 rock cod again, Captain Fine rock cod. This other fish is going to bring up now is called a pink salmon. Just hold on.
Oh, that one.
It's our pink salmon. Okay, it obviously isn't like an English salmon, but it is a rosy jobfish is the correct name for it. Also excellent eating. In winter we get very big shoals of bream. Now it's going towards the end of it.
You're not sure? Put it on the top here for me. I'll weigh it. To make sure, okay?
When you've got a decent size, that's an Englishman again. Give me a fair size slinger and take a close-up shot under the eye, Shirley. It's got blue makeup.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Okay, look there.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a slinger. Excellent eating as well. But lady fish. Blue makeup. This one here is a different fish again. That's a soldier. It's called a soldier. Okay? Slightly different but quite big teeth. Okay? Big salmon. Couple of bream. Okay, another rock cod. We're going to eat 2 little rocks.
Blind.
That's Englishman.
Blind.
Sharks. I cut the head off so it doesn't flap on the boat. On a tuna.